Hey, this is Mr. Milleman. I'm here to talk to you today about the scientific method. And it's a good thing because I got a little problem. My car, right there, see? That's my car. But it won't start. So I've got the problem and now I need to find a solution to it. So what am I going to do? So come on, help me out. As you can see, there's a number of different ways to do the scientific method. Let's take a closer look. Well, first of all, we got the cool kids right here. Yeah, y'all remember the cool kids? Yeah, they know how to dress, don't they? Yeah, they're awesome. These guys over here sure working the scientific method too, but it's a little different for them. And then, don't really know what's up with this thing. This is the scientific method in the craziest way possible. So as you can see, the scientific method comes in a variety of shapes and sizes, and there really is no one size that fits all. Just like there are many different scientists out there, there's many different scientific methods. So you have to, as a scientist, find the one that works best for you. So how exactly does this work? Well, the scientific method works in a variety of different ways depending on which procedures you choose. It basically starts with a problem and it ends with a logical conclusion. You've got to start with your problem. In this case, my car won't start. So, what am I going to do next? The first thing that I need to do is to go research that problem. I get on the internet, I look around a little bit, and I find that a car needs gas in order to go. Without that fuel, the car won't work. So I need to make sure that I have fuel, that I have that gasoline for my car. So I'm going to get the gas, call my friend Joe. Hey Joe, come pick me up. Drive me on over. Take me to the gas station. Let me get some gas. Then bring me on back so I can fill up my car. All of those are my procedures. And of course my materials will be the gas can and the gasoline that I'm going to buy. I've got to come up with a hypothesis. I take my problem and I come up with a hypothesis. In this case, my hypothesis, which is always an if-then statement, I take my hypothesis and I say, if I put gasoline in my car, then my car will work properly. Then my car will run. So what I've got to do is to follow my procedures, apply them to my if-then statement into my experiment. And when I actually put it into practice, I'm going to fill the gas tank with gasoline, and then I'm going to start my engine. I'm going to gather my data. In this case, there's really not a whole lot of data to gather other than the fact, I put 5 gallons of gasoline into the car, and I started the engine. It started the first time, and it works. Minimal data, but it's still going to lead me to my logical conclusion. When I fill my gas tank with gasoline, the car will work properly. So concluding, it's simply problem, research, hypothesis, data, conclusion. So, you hear that? Come on! Okay, that's enough of that. So, scientific method, gotta make sure that we are following certain steps, and it can be a little bit different for everybody because science is science, and finding the conclusion or the solution to any problem is not the same as every other. So good luck, and if you need any help, make sure you stop by and see me. Have a good one.